Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I've been scouring the internet for the best deals and the best products and the companies with the best reputations, and Renogy is on here often for a reason. And they just dropped this off-grid core solar kit with their new mini core batteries, which are super cool. This setup right here comes with 800 watts of ShadowFlux panels. These new ShadowFlux panels give you more power in low light conditions, like when the panel is covered with snow debris or when it's partially shaded. This is the newest solar technology from Renogy. This just dropped. This is one of the newest kits that you can get. And it comes with a 3000 watt inverter, which is really great, and the Rover MPPT. But if you're in a hurry and just trying to get over there and take advantage of this deal, there's a pretty big discount going on. Plus, you can use our promo code AdventureTech to drop that price even more. Just use the links in the comments or the description and get over to that page. Get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to be jumping right in and taking a look at everything that this kit has to offer. So in this kit, Renogy included the world's first anti-shading rigid panel, up to 85% more output in the shade. And I've seen these in action. I got one on my Overlander right now and it's working amazing. ShadowFlux tech, it beats partial shade with these bypass diodes. It's got 28 of them built right in. 25% cell efficiency because these are N-type cells, and this is a strong solar panel. This is IP67 waterproof. They're small enough to fit in tight spaces because they're 7% smaller and 10% lighter. You're getting the same amount of power. 25-year lifespan guaranteed on these. You got super good power density, keeping that size small and light. And you got two different options when it comes to the batteries with this kit. You got the Core Mini with low temperature protection, and also you got the Core Bluetooth with self-heating, which is awesome. These Pro Smart batteries have built-in heating so that if they drop below a certain temperature, it can actually heat itself up so it can operate safely again, maintaining the long life of this battery. You got comprehensive protection to secure this system as well. Precise voltage control, power catcher MPPT algorithm helping you get the best out of your solar energy, 98% conversion efficiency, 99% solar tracking efficiency, and with the Rover 60 amp MPPT, you get 30% more power harvest than the traditional PWM controllers. And you're getting 10% more power harvest than other MPPTs. The kit that I'm showing has a 3000 watt 12 volt inverter. Not only is it compatible with the batteries in this setup, but also other types of batteries as well, making it very versatile. Has a remote controlled switch, easy to turn it on and off, high efficiency, more than 90%, noise-free bliss. It's a 3000 watt inverter, so you really gotta hit it hard to get it to really make noise. So even when you're powering larger devices, it stays nice and quiet. This setup includes a 500 amp battery monitor. This is super nice to have. It's gonna give you details on your battery bank, and it's a very low power consumption design. The backlight automatically shuts down when charging current is less than 1000 milliamps and only 1 milliamp standby dissipation. The battery monitor is equipped with data storage capacity and automatically saves the last testing data when the power is off. This helps to protect your battery, so it's worth getting this. This monitor gives you high precision current detection and accurate battery state of charge. You can also set an alarm for high or low current voltage. When the alarm is activated, the backlight and voltage value will be shown on the screen to alert you on what to do when you reach the cutoff voltage. So right now is a crazy good time to pick this up, and there are some different options. You can adjust this to your needs. Make sure to use that promo code AdventureTech. That's going to drop the price down for you a little bit more. Take advantage. It's the end of the year, and these are the lowest prices you're going to see for a while. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over here and get that deal while it lasts. For everybody else, feel free to subscribe completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about all these new deals.